Alright, so I got the JMGO N1S 4K. It's underground, which is wild for what it does. The box is legit, phone like you'd see for camera gear, and this rugged case with a handle, built for road trips or camping. The projector's super slick, white grey, only 2 kilos, feels solid. Remote got Netflix, Prime Video and YouTube buttons, and the power plug works anywhere. Honestly, opening this felt like a treat. Setting this up is so easy, it's ridiculous. The gimbal moves 127 degrees, so you can aim it at a wall, ceiling, whatever in like 2 seconds. It's got a standard 1/4-inch screw, so any tripods works. I used a cheap one, no problem. Auto correction kicks in fast to square the image, and with a 1.2 throw ratio, you don't need a huge room for a big screen. I'm kinda obsessed with this thing. Google TV on this is awesome. It's fast, doesn't glitch, and has Netflix, YouTube, Prime, all right there. I'm new to projectors, but this feels like using my phone. Voice commands are spot on. I ask for weather or shows and it just works, even outside. The phone apps are remote, and get this, it works 30 meters away on my terrace. Settings are that simple, auto keystone and focus lock-in quick, which is huge when you're moving it around. The pictures where it really shines. At the Twilight on my terrace, colors are vibrant on a white wall, looks great for movies. At night, deep blacks with 1600:1 contrast are next level for a 2 kilo projector. My basement with grey wallpaper and blinds, still crisp even at 120 inches. Colors are vivid at 110 BT 2020, maybe tweak them if they're too punchy. Daytime's rough for dark scenes, so stick to dusk or night. I got the 3D glasses, and the theater vibe is unreal. With 1100 lumens, Twilight viewing solid, sports or casual stuff looks good. Don't expect miracle in full daylight though. I use Chromecast with my Android device and the controller, and at 18 milliseconds latency, it feels smooth. HDMI with my MacBook was just as nice. USB-A is handy for 4K videos off a drive. Ports are one HDMI with eARC, USB-A and DC, pulling about 100 watts max. Stay warm, not hot, even after hours. The sound's impressive for something this small. Dual 5-watt speakers with Dolby audio and DTS HD hit 55 Hz bass. Feels like you're on a film set. Music's great and at medium volume. Outdoors movies are comfy. One's so quiet, I forgot it was there. It's not all perfect. Daytimes are no-go for dark scenes. Twilight or nights, your friend. Just one HDMI and no 3.5mm jack, but eARC and Bluetooth cover you. No AirPlay either, only Chromecast works. The black power brick's a chunky two-parter, not as slick as N1's gun charger, and it looks off with the white-grey vibe like the remote. So the N1S 4K is honestly awesome for $1,000. It's got 4K UHD with MALC lasers for sharp, vibrant pictures at night. 1100 lumens and 110 BT 2020 colors really pop. The 1600:1 contrast gives deep blacks, and HDR10's a nice touch. Google TV is smooth with Netflix built-in, and the 127 degrees gimbal with FlexiSmart adaptive system 2.0 auto-aligns the screen, fixes keystone, focuses in real time, and even zoom without losing quality. Dolby audio and DTS HD sound like a mini theater. Plus it's got smart eye protection for you, your family and pets. It supports 3D and MEMC for smooth motion. For movie nights or gaming on my terrace, it's a steal. Check it out via the link. Let me know what do you think. Catch you the next one.